can start exercise 5.3. At this moment I omitted exercise 5.2 because it is related with trigonometry, and at this moment we are not teach trigonometry. That's why we can start exercise 5.3. This is directly associated with quadratic equation. Find the solution of this equation x square plus 3 is equal to 0. This is one type of quadratic equation. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a is equal to 1. A means coefficient of x square. B equal to coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is not given, it is 0. And c is equal to 3. A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and c equal to 3. Now start x. First we have to find out d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we know that if delta greater than or equal to 0, then it has a 2. If delta greater than 0, then equation has a distinct and real solution. Equal to 0, then unique and real. But if delta less than 0, then it has a complex solution. Okay. Now b square equal to 0. Minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to 3. A equal to 1, c equal to 3. This is equal to minus 12. That means d is equal to minus 12. That means this equation has complex solution. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Minus b equal to 0. Root delta equal to minus 12. 2 into a equal to 1. Minus 12 that means 12i square. Do you know this one? I square equal to minus 1. Therefore when replace I square, then this is become a minus 12. Therefore minus 12 equal to 12i square. Okay, plus or minus 12, that means 4 3s are, that means 2 root 3i by 2. 2 cut, plus or minus root 3i. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus root 3i. This is your answer. Okay, totally standard 10 point, but only 1 point is added, and it is if delta is negative, then negative convert into I square, it gives you positive, and let a square root, it is gives you a answer. Okay friends, again I will repeat 5.2 I am omitted yet because of 5.2 is directly associated with trigonometry, and we are not teach at this moment trigonometry. That's why I am omitting 5.2 and start 5.3. Okay. Now find the solution of this quadratic equation. Let a equal to 2 directly, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. First find out delta. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. As usual as standard 10th. B is equal to 1. A equal to 2 and 1. Therefore 1 minus 8. Therefore minus 7. Therefore x equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Minus b equal to 1. Root delta equal to minus 7. 2 into a equal to 2. Minus 1 plus or minus 7i square upon 4. Okay, minus 7 means 7i square, because I square equal to minus 1. Therefore minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 4. Let I square in outside the square root, it should be a I. Therefore minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 4. Very simple. Now example number 3, try yourself. I am doing example number 4 here in video. Very clear. A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 2. Okay. A equal to minus 1. B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 2. Find out delta. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means 1 minus 4 AC 1 minus and minus, that's why minus 3 times minus. In multiple form, it is always minus. 4 2s are 8. Again, this is minus 7. Okay. Now, therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Minus b equal to 1 plus or minus root 7 equal to minus 7 upon 2 into a equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus or minus 7i square upon minus 2. Is this clear? Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by minus 2. I square let outside the square root. That's why it is converted into I and root 7. Now let's separate. Minus 1 upon minus 2 plus or minus root 7 upon minus 2i. Minus minus cut 1 by 2. These minus associated here. So plus or minus converted into minus plus. Is this clear? This minus here, minus plus. Okay. Very easy exercise. Very easy. Now a is equal to 1. B equal to minus 1. C equal to 2. First find out delta. D equal to b square minus 4. As b square means minus 1 square 4. A equal to 1, C equal to minus 1 square equal to 1. Minus 8 equal to minus 7. Okay. Here both have same delta because of, let here minus be a common. Then it should be converted into x square minus x plus 2. This is x square minus x plus 2. So both have same delta. Okay. Minus 7 and minus 7. Now let x equal to minus b root delta upon 2a minus b equal to plus 1 because b equal to minus 1. So minus b equal to plus 1. Minus 7 upon 2a, a equal to 1. 1 plus or minus 7i square by 2 and 1 by 2 plus or minus root 7 by 2 into I. Let I square outside the square root. It is I and root 7 by 2. Let 2 as a separate one. Okay. Now I teach you already 4 sum. Remaining sum try yourself. I have already given to a worksheet with answer, with solution. Now you can try remaining example, minimum 10 to 12 example you have to try yourself. If you have any problem, then you can see in solution. If you no understand in solution, then you have to call me, otherwise message me, then I will teach you. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Bye.